In this video, I will show you how to log out of Outlook in your PC.
Hi, my name is Lucy, and let's get to the video without any delay. So first you need to search for Outlook. So in Windows 11, you will see two Outlooks, one classic and another new. Just click on in whichever platform you have your Outlook account logged in. So after that, you need to click on the File tab here at the top, and you need to click on this Account Settings box. Again, from this drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. Now, after that, you need to save your data files first. So just go ahead and click on your file and click on Open File Location and save your data files. Now, after that, you need to go to your email tab in this dialog box again and select your account. After that, click on Remove and it will successfully remove your Outlook account from your PC. So if you want to log back in again, you just need to follow the same process again. Go to account settings, then click on the add option here and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next video.